With a strong passion for motorsports, Shadow 6 Racing set out to push the boundaries of the powersports industry. And with its aquatic utility vehicle, the Typhoon, it was bang on. With a purchase price enough to give your bank account an aneurysm, true motorsport enthusiasts can now purchase the Typhoon and take it to their favorite body of water to carve the waves or cruise the canals. Shadow 6 Racing starts the Typhoon by sourcing a new Polaris RZR side-by-side donor, which is then stacked atop a set of wave runners that act as the vessel's hulls. Just like with the Razor's wheels, the Typhoon's hulls are connected to a shock and spring setup that provides decent suspension while out on water. Billed as the world's first ever aquatic utility vehicle, the Typhoon also boasts an advanced cornering system that ensures the ocean-faring SXS remains upright. Powering the Typhoon is a pair of Yamaha GP 1000 800 SCHOR engines, supercharged 1.8-liter inline fours that together pump out an even 500 dub. Measuring 130 in length, the Typhoon is custom-made from a combination of aerospace-grade carbon fiber and titanium, affording ample strength while keeping weight to a minimum. Thanks to a dry weight only 2,365 volts, the Typhoon can reach speeds of over 80 miles per hour. Capable of accommodating 1 to 3 passengers, the Typhoon also gets a 37-gallon tank, race seats, a carbon fiber steering wheel and controls, and wireless Bluetooth connectivity. To withstand the harshness of the waves and weight of the UTV body riding on top of a watercraft, Shadow 6 Racing decided that the hulls needed to be made from carbon fiber instead of fiberglass. It ditched the RZR frame altogether and made them from titanium to withstand all the flexing, as well as shed some weight. The hulls also support supercharged Yamaha GP 1000 800R SVHO engines, each producing 250 p. Besides the Polaris plastics and Yamaha engines, there is nothing factory about the Typhoon. Shadow 6 Racing plans on producing 30 Typhoon AUV units in 2023, with delivery scheduled to begin in Q1 or Q2 of next year. Pricing has also been set at $250,399.